Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube family and my lovely friends? I hope my all the sweet friends are good and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much my lovely friends for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, my sweet friends, you can see in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trendy beautiful purple color nail art ideas in acrylic, metallic and other styles. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all the designs are so stunning and so unique and useful, especially for purple color lovers. I hope you all love this beautiful collection. So viewers, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of beautiful ideas. I really hope that they will love these amazing ideas. Guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. You can apply these designs on your nails for more beautiful and gorgeous look. Thank you my lovely friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your nail art. So if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay friends, see you soon. Goodbye, take care and Allah Hafiz.